Okay, ma'am.
Okay, create your
Yes, ma'am.
ID and then log in. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
from tomorrow onwards.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, why so late, everybody? 11:10 is the time of the class, I think, right? Or no?
Mom, we will study kingdom classification.
No, no. Study allergy right now.
Ma'am, I've read that chapter.
We will study allergy because right now we are undergoing a pandemic. Okay, and a life-threatening virus, COVID-19. People suffering from this.
Ma'am, when you have that
Allergic
allergy,
symptoms, having allergic symptoms like cough, cold, sneezing, lung infection.
but when you have that allergy, ma'am, I've got that. I have not sent you my work.
Please, Tiffin, one thing more. I have to remind you again, those who have forgot, that you have not submitted your holiday homework, and the holiday homework contains 10 marks. Holiday homework is of 10 marks that will be added in your half yearlies. So please send me your holiday homework.
Yes,
I
ma'am,
was
today I will
waiting
send.
for the class to happen. I have sent you the reminders repeatedly, but you people are not sending me the homework. The
Ma'am, I
holiday
forgot
homework.
to send. Ma'am, how was my...
Yes, Mansi. Where are the rest? Why haven't they joined? Only 6 children are there out of 18.
Ma'am, they will... No, ma'am, 90, ma'am, they will be coming. 20.
Okay.
They are 90.
So they are joining the classes regularly?
Ma'am, only leaving Aman and Aditya, all the children are... Yes, ma'am.
Leaving Aman and Aditya. Okay.
Ma'am, Aditya was joining in first 2-3 class and otherwise he was not joining.
Good morning, ma'am. Okay. Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, I have read the allergy chapter.
That's
Ma'am, it's
good.
very...
That's good. See, we should not keep ourselves confined with the books only. Allergy, we see so many type of allergies daily in our life, isn't it? Some or the other person is suffering from some or the other allergy. Right.
Ma'am, like, hey,
We all are actually allergic to something or the other. Yes? So we have to relate this chapter to our real life. Okay, what we see daily, what we observe daily, what allergies have we gone through, what allergies our parents, our siblings have gone through. We have to, observe. To study bio, we need to be observant, isn't it?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Atul. How are you?
I'm Ashutosh.
Ashutosh, sorry.
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Get confused between you and Atul.
Ma'am, Atul Agarwal is Vardhan.
Okay. One more child has joined. I think Arna Soria has joined. Arhan has joined.
ma'am, whom you thought that most observant person in your class?
What?
Ma'am, Arhan is present.
Yeah, I know Arhan is present. I can see you. Okay.
Ma'am, I was
The holiday homework was to prepare the PPT on allergy, on viruses.
ma'am, you have given two options that one homework was that we have to ask from our family members and write about allergy, the precautions, the treatment, and how the allergy is increasing, and all the things. And the second homework was repeating.
Okay. So,
We have given the option.
okay.
And ma'am,
This was. Listen to me. Listen to me first. This was your project, okay? That you have to ask your family members whether they are suffering from some allergy or not. This was a research-based project. You have to do some sort of research work in this. You had to do, right? So this was a project, and nobody has till now sent me the what you say, the report, the final report of your research work.
ma'am, I have sent.
Only you have sent. You are the exceptional
Ma'am,
case,
I have
Vardhan.
Ma'am, I am not sent because no one is having any allergy.
No, it's not that. That nobody is having any allergy. Some or the other allergy a person is having, beta. Sometime might be in life, at some instance, they have got allergic to something, some insect, some cream, some lotion, okay, any substance, any perfume, any deodorant. They might be allergic to any medicine, they might be allergic to. Okay, any shampoo they might be allergic to. So you have to find out, you have to ask them in this manner.
Okay, ma'am.
They might be allergic to sun. Okay, they might be allergic to, cold and hot climate. So some or the other allergy we people are having. They might be allergic to the spices in the kitchen. As soon as you add spice, as soon as you add spices, you start sneezing, right? So all these are allergies only. So you have to prepare a report and you have to send it to me. It is your project and it is of 10 marks.
You have written also.
What?
Ma'am, you have given options for the project.
Yeah, I have given option. This was the project, and then I had given you the PPT on viruses, and not all PPTs I have received.
Our own focus on
Arshit, mute yourself. Arshit, Anushka, and Vardhan, mute yourself. Who has joined by the name Amita Singh? Who has joined? Parth. Okay. Okay. So by what time you will send me the work? See,
Ma'am,
you're taking advantage.
Ma'am, sending you in 2 minutes.
Okay, don't take advantage of me being lenient, okay? I will give you 0 out of 20. You don't have any option. You have to do the project work, 10 marks. You have to submit me the PPT of viruses, 10 marks. Is it clear? Because 80 marks half yearly paper is not possible in online classes. So we have just divided your marks into certain things. Your holiday homework, your class performance, your class attendance, your regular homework, your daily homework, okay, your revision tests, your unit tests. So we have done certain divisions and all the divisions have weightage. 5 marks, 10 marks, 20 marks. And if you will behave like this in such lethargic manner and so carelessly, you will not get marks. Got it? Is it clear? So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
today we will be
Yes, ma'am.
starting with the allergy chapter. Today I am giving you the deadline. By tomorrow 2 o'clock in the noon, I need all the work from everybody. And those who are not giving tomorrow positively will get 0. Okay, after tomorrow, I will not ask you for any holiday homework, any presentation, any project work. Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you tell the order of we have to make in any order we have to make? Ma'am, the research one.
Just see your holiday homework. The way it is mentioned, follow that method only. Okay?
ma'am,
Yes, Yash.
ma'am, I have sent one. You have seen, ma'am?
Yeah, I must have seen if you have sent.
Ma'am, I have sent you all my homework.
Yours I have seen. See, children, if I am not seeing personally, please send it on the group because groups I see daily. Okay? Send it on the group because it is, easy for me to access on the group.
Ma'am, but
Okay.
Swati ma'am is told that don't send on the group.
Beta, it gets lost here and there. I have to search because your numbers I have not saved by your names. So I have to search a lot for that. Okay? So you just send it on the group. Now, mute yourselves, everybody. Okay. If I will ask anything to anyone, only that person will unmute and answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now, Vardhan.
Yes, ma'am.
What have you understood by allergy till now? How can you define this thing, allergy? How can you define allergy?
Ma'am, allergy is a type of a problem that a that a person suffer, that
He or she, any individual can suffer from that. Okay,
ma'am,
okay, mute. Now, see, our body, we have a strong immune system, right? And sometimes our body reacts to certain things in a different way. Is it clear? It is not giving the positive response only all the time. It gives some negative feedbacks also, negative responses also. Okay? So the immune system, the defense mechanism of our body, it can be allergic to something. Okay? So the substance that is causing an allergic reaction in our body is causing any sensitivity in our body, any hypersensitivity in our body, that substance is known as an allergen. Is known as an allergen. So what are allergens? Substance that cause any hypersensitive reaction in our body are called as allergens. Okay, so what is allergy? It will become a process. It will become a process. So we can define allergy as the hypersensitiveness of a person to any foreign substance entering our body. Okay, anything. It can be anything. It can be air, it can be water, it can be any substance to which we are allergic. It can be any medicine to which we are allergic. Okay? So that creates allergic reactions in our body. Okay? So this is known as allergy. Is it clear? Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In class.
no, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't understand.
What?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
What you haven't understand? What you haven't understood, Ashutosh?
Ma'am, what is allergy?
Acha, theek hai. You haven't understood what is allergy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are sitting in AC right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you move out in hot and humid conditions, and again you come back to the cold area, you come to your AC room, what will happen?
Might feel cold.
You will not feel cold, you will feel feverish. Okay. You will have a body ache, you will have a body pain, You'll feel feverish, isn't it? Why it will happen? Just tell me.
Ma'am, because the climate has changed.
Yes, the climate has changed. You were sitting in a AC room. Okay, the temperature was so low. Then you went out. Then you again come back. Now what is happening? The temperature is changing, right? And you got caught hold of that situation, isn't it? You are
Yes, ma'am.
allergic to this. You get allergic to this problem. Okay, so whenever you will do this, you will catch fever, you will have body ache. So you'll come to know that this thing doesn't suits my body. Coming in an AC and coming out again from the AC room, that isn't suiting me. Okay, if you take some medicine, okay, if any chemical in that medicine is not suiting your body, many people are allergic to sulfur drugs in which sulfur is there. That medicine causes skin irritation, or it induces vomiting. Okay, repeatedly when the person is taking such medicines, he comes to know that he is allergic to this thing in the medicine, so he stops that. Okay, because he comes to know, he realizes that whenever I take this medicine, it happens. Okay, some of you might eat ice creams, and usually what happens when you are eating ice creams, some children suffer from stomach ache and vomiting. Whenever they eat ice cream, they suffer from stomach ache and vomiting. So they come to know that ice cream doesn't suit me. I'm allergic to ice cream. Okay, so these are the reactions which your body, which your immune system is not responding properly to. Your immune system is sensitive to some things. Okay, so these reactions by the immune system of our body is known as allergy. Such reactions of our body are known as allergic reactions. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
Okay, now one thing I would like to ask you all, that in sixth we have studied a circulatory system and we have studied blood cells, right? So we have studied three types of blood cells, RBCs, WBCs and blood platelets, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now you tell me, among these cells, which cells function as the soldiers of the body?
WBC.
Ma'am, white blood cells.
White blood cells.
WBC.
White blood, yes, white blood cells are known as soldiers of the body. Why they are called soldiers of the body? Because they produce a protein in our
Ma'am,
body known as antibodies, right? They produce antibodies which fight against the incoming foreign substances in our body. The foreign substances, the antigens coming in our body, right? That is why WBCs are known as soldiers of the body. Their function is to produce antibodies to fight against the diseases. And these antibodies combat antigens. Combat means fight. They fight with the antigens and save us from further infections. And when it will happen, it will only happen when we have strong immunity. And how do we develop strong immunity? By having proper diet, by having balanced diet. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So nowadays, in this pandemic, COVID-19 virus has infected so many people. So why we are saying that we have to build a strong immunity? Why we are emphasizing on immunity? Because if we'll have good immunity, our body will be able to fight against the bacteria, the viruses which are coming in our body. Right? Is it clear? If we will eat less, if we will sleep less, we'll have a weak body immunity. Please mute yourselves. We will have a weak body immunity. And our body will not have the capacity to fight against the diseases. Please mute yourself, Ashutosh. Ashutosh, mute yourself. Don't open the mute until and unless I ask you to open it, because it creates disturbance. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So now have you understood? Have you understood? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some people who work in the fields, who work in the crop fields, जो खेतों में काम करते हैं, they are allergic to the pollen grains. ठीक है, जब कटाई होती है फसल की, ठीक है, तो जो hay निकलता है, the hay which is released from there, जो भूसा टाइप का निकलता है उसमें से, हमारे क्रॉप्स में से, कुछ लोग उससे एलर्जिक होते हैं. वो नोज में चला जाता है या वो थ्रोट में चला जाता है. इट अफेक्ट्स some people. Okay, so they are sensitive to that hay. Okay, and that allergy which is sensitive, which is happening from plant pollens, that is known as hay fever. That is known as
Hay
which
fever.
fever? Hay fever. Hay किसे बोलते हैं? भूसे को बोलते हैं hay.
भूसे को.
The dust. Okay, that hay, that is known as hay fever. So if I ask you what people might be suffering from hay fever, what will you answer? Which individuals are likely to suffer from hay fever? More likely.
The allergic
Just
person
allergic.
from hay will be
Just
suffering
allergic.
from just
No, I am asking which people are more prone to hay fever.
Ma'am, the
Oh,
person
you will answer.
that
The person which are having the dust allergy will be having the hay fever.
Yeah, the people mostly on fields, okay, working with the crops, okay, are more likely to suffer from the allergy called hay fever. Okay, so if I ask you, just define what are allergens, how will you define?
yeah, ma'am, allergens are the foreign substances that cause allergic reactions in our body.
Yes, so you will tell allergens are the substances which induce an allergic reaction in an individual, are known as allergens. Allergen can be any food item, it can be any medicine, it can be dust particles, it can be anything. Some people are allergic to egg things. Some people are allergic to milk. Some people are allergic to cheese. Okay, some are allergic to insects like cockroaches. Okay, some are allergic to dust, fur, wool. Some are, just allergic to the blankets, the wool blankets. They might get skin irritation. Okay, so allergen, it can be anything. Okay, any food product, any animal product. It can be sun also. Okay, any substance which is inducing an allergic reaction in our body are known as allergens. Is it clear?
Ma'am, ma'am, yes, ma'am, ma'am.
You have muted yourself, Vardhan. Unmute.
मैम अरहान है.
Okay. Carry on.
Ma'am, can I tell that how allergic reactions occurs?
You can tell.
Ma'am, when the foreign substances like dust or pollen grains, ma'am, come in contact with our antibody, a substance called histamine is released.
No.
And ma'am,
Okay. Carry on.
and ma'am,
Histamine.
it only histamine. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, it only causes allergic reactions.
Okay. So you have read the chapter thoroughly. So you are telling me about histamine. Okay. I have not introduced this word till yet, children. We will talk about histamine later on. Okay. What happens? जो हमारे इम्यून सेल्स होते हैं, जिनको हम लिम्फोसाइट्स भी बोलते हैं, जो कि कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं? हमारे लिम्फ में. हमने 2 टाइप के फ्लूइड्स पढ़े हैं क्लास 6 में.
Yes.
We have studied
Yes,
blood
ma'am.
as a fluid and lymph as the extracellular fluid. So lymph contains what? Lymph contains lymphocytes. Okay. Lymphocytes also produce antibodies. These antibodies combine with certain substances. Okay. And other body fluids. Then they form these H substances. Then they form this. The thing which you are telling. H substances. Okay. These lymphocytes combine with the other blood cells or other substances. Then they form these H cells. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And sometimes it may happen that lymphocytes only attack the allergen directly. It is not forming an H substance. It may happen. Okay. Our lymphocytes can attack the allergen directly also, and when it combines with any particle of the body, any other body cell of the body, then they form H substances, and then these H substances fight against the allergic reaction. Okay, or the lymphocytes may fight directly also. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And what happens when they are fighting? And what happens when the fight is happening between the lymphocyte and the allergen? Our body shows the allergic reaction. Is it clear? Our body is showing the allergic reaction. And the allergic reaction can be anything. It can be a skin rash, it can be coughing, it can be sneezing, it can be induced vomiting, anything it can be. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
कुछ लोगों को एलर्जी होती है अस्थमा. Have you heard of asthma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What kind of allergy is asthma? Can you tell me? Anybody?
Ma'am.
Have you ever come across? Have you ever come across? Have you ever come across the person who's suffering from asthma?
Ma'am, breathing problem?
Yeah, it is a breathing problem. But have you come in contact with any such person in your real life?
Ma'am, asthma allergic.
Yes, Gautam.
Yeah,
Ma'am, Navya.
Yes,
Navya was having asthma. Okay.
Yeah.
What happens in
Ma'am, I
And
What
yes,
happens?
Gautam.
Okay. What happens in asthma is there is shortness of breath. Okay. You feel short of breath. You are not able to breathe properly. There is tightness in the chest. Okay. So this is basically a breathing problem. और ये किस वजह से हो सकती है? ये pollution की वजह से ज़्यादा होती है. Okay. And dust की वजह से बहुत होती है. And dust can be any dust. It can be pollen dust. It can be animal fur dust. It can be any dust. Okay.
Ma'am, it creates the pollen gases, which is very dangerous, release chemicals in our immune system.
And when an asthma patient is going out on the road, if there is heavy pollution on the road, he or she may be feeling shortness of breath. Okay, asthma patients are not able to breathe properly in so much of pollution. Okay, this happens. And maybe if they are going on higher altitude, if they are going on hill stations, if they are going to hill stations, there also they might suffer suffocation sort of. Okay, they may feel the shortness of oxygen. Okay.
Can I see the symptoms of allergic asthma?
What?
Can I tell you the symptoms of allergic asthma?
Yeah, we'll discuss the symptoms, but let me tell you the causes first. कि होता कैसे है ये? Asthma patient should not run often. Okay, he should walk very properly. He should not do heavy exercises. He should not be exposed to so much of cold. Okay, dust. He should not be exposed to so much of pollution. Okay, and any viral infection also, like influenza, your common cold and all, can also trigger the asthma. Okay, the asthma attack. So asthma patients usually carry an asthma pump. Have you seen people taking the asthma pump? They inhale. The inhalers are there with them.
Yes, ma'am.
They usually take that. Okay. To get rid of this.
Ma'am, can I tell that how asthma occurs?
I have already told how asthma occurs.
Yes,
It occurs due to the shortness